Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN DriveSmart navigation. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Garmin Drive app. Firstly, let's enter Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. Agree, agree, select navigation device, and before make sure that your smartphone is connected with navigation via Bluetooth. As you can see, they are connected automatically. Now create an account or sign in. Now, when you are logged in, you can enable smart notifications, display media informations, and it's done. From the homepage of Garmin Drive app, you can set up Alexa, download voice, enable background location, improved calling. You can set up Amazon Alexa for the button, locate vehicle, add another device, and also go to settings. From the settings you can forget your device, adjust audio, and again Alexa. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.